In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Shopify store in a quick and easy way. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your store live and ready for your customers. Publishing your Shopify store is a crucial step to ensuring that your products are accessible to your potential customers. So let's dive right in and make sure you do it correctly. First, we'll need to access your Shopify store's admin panel. Go ahead and open up your browser and navigate to the Shopify admin site. Once you're there, you'll want to log in using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you should see the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your store. Here, you'll have access to everything from product management to analytics. Next, look towards the left side of your dashboard. This is where you'll find a panel with different options. We want to manage your online presence, so you're going to look for online store and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can adjust various aspects of your store that are visible to the public. It's an important part of the journey because this is where we'll set things up to go live. Now that you've selected online store, let's move on to selecting preferences from the sub-menu. Clicking on preferences will navigate you to a page where you can set the basics for your storefront, including some vital SEO settings that help your store appear in search engines. This is an opportunity to make your store distinctive and appealing to search engines, so be sure to take your time to make thoughtful choices. Now, we want to add a homepage title. Imagine this as the digital storefront sign. It should clearly represent your brand and contain keywords that are relevant to your business to help customers find your store online. To do this, find the homepage title field and enter your chosen text. This title will appear at the top of the browser when anyone visits your store, so make it catchy and relevant. Just below the homepage title, you'll see a field for homepage meta description. This is a short description of what your store is about, and it shows up in search results under your store's title. Think of it as your elevator pitch, concise and informative. Fill this in with a brief overview of your store, highlighting key products or unique selling propositions to entice potential visitors to click through to your store. Once you've set your homepage title and meta description, we need to consider who can access your store. Shopify allows you to control this through the password protection section. By default, a newly created Shopify store is password protected. To change this, head to the password protection section and look for the option to disable the password. This will ensure that everyone can visit your site without needing a password. But before making your site public, it's a good idea to double check every detail. Make sure your products are uploaded correctly, your photos are of good quality, and your prices and inventory are accurately listed. Double check for any spelling errors and ensure that your contact information is current and visible to your customers. After you're confident everything is ready, it's time for the final step. Publishing your store. Return to the preferences page and remove the password if that's still engaged. Doing this will officially make your store live and accessible for anyone to visit. It's an exciting moment, so congratulations. Your store is now online for the world to see. Remember, going live doesn't mean your work is done. Continuously monitor your store's performance via the analytics dashboard, keep your products and descriptions up to date, and respond to customer inquiries efficiently. Regularly revisiting your settings and optimizing based on customer feedback and new trends can enhance your store's success. That's it for today's quick tutorial on how to publish your Shopify store. I hope this guide has been helpful and your store is up and running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out through the support pages available on Shopify. Thank you for watching and we wish you success with your new online venture.